right, welcome back. For me, it's been a few minutes. For you, it's probably been a day or so. Yeah, we're out on the water. We're gonna do the fishing challenge for the Bass Elite box unboxing that I just did in the previous video, and it's for the month of May for the Mystery Tackle box. Yeah, we're gonna fart around here. Might start out with some of the lighter stuff first, since the wind isn't that crazy yet. The wind's gonna get insane later. We're talking about 40 mile an hour gusting. Thankfully, I'm not on a big pond, so it might not be that bad. And there's spots where we can get out of the wind, so they might not have a lot of fish or a lot of big fish, but there's a way we can get out of the wind, and we're gonna try to make it work. Like I said in the previous video, the worst part, the toughest baits, I should say, not the worst baits. The toughest baits to complete are probably going to be those top waters. But I don't know. It's a different day. We had a really warm day yesterday, so we're going to figure out how this is going to go. So come on for the adventure. Yeah, we're going to start with that small top water, I think, before this wind starts kicking up, because that thing's going to be a pain to cast in the wind. Like, gonna hate life, that style kind of pain. So let's get after it here. Okay, I'm gonna try this Viva Sky Pencil. Oh, try not to hook myself. Here she is here. Looks pretty good. I do like it. It's actually doesn't seem to be real super light, but I am still gonna throw it on my bait finish setup here, just to make it a little bit easier on myself. And then we'll go from there. If it decides if it's not going to work out very well, then I'll put it on a spinning rod. But we're going to try this first and fart around, see how it works. I mean, I like the feather treble hook on the back, and I can easily see in this being a really good bait for pressured smallmouth. You know, it's like the finesse. It is the finesse style walking bait. So, well, I think it would be great for those smallmouth. But we'll find out. Well, not today, because there's no smallmouth here, but at some point. Yeah, it's going pretty good. It does go underneath, it does go down under the water a little bit, which is okay. Nothing wrong with that. Cast pretty good. Walks pretty good, pretty easy. Wow, I like this. I really do. This might have to stay in the box. Sometimes I don't keep these baits in the box and I put them in the boat. But I might have to keep this one in there. For those tough days with smallmouth, or I really want to get a good smallmouth bite on top water, or largemouth. Sun's about to come up over those trees. We're going to need to get some shades on here in a minute. It's cool. You can move it really erratic too, and if they're really wanting to chase, if they're chasing something on top, it'd be good too. Ooh, we had a bite right there. We go. Oh my gosh. Ooh, something really good has it. Oh my God. It's a nice bass. Okay. Well, that's why he felt nice. Swiped at it a couple times and missed it. Oh, there we go. It's a nice fish. Not too bad with the little fish here. It's a little windy. We found a couple. There we go. He wanted to get out of there. He went straight over the weeds. That's awesome. All right. Well, we just needed to locate the fish, and I believe we did. He hit that quite a few times, like there's competition, so I'm thinking there's more fish there. I'm gonna throw in a couple of our other baits over there, and I might actually throw that top water, see if they'll hit that top water. Get that out of the way, but one bait down, spinner bait's done. Okay, I'm gonna try the top water here. The wind has picked up, so we'll see how well this is gonna go. Yeah. Well, it's there. Oh, there we go. That was fast. That was real fast. So my bait finesse setup, so really got to be careful. I don't think he's that big. Oh, don't take me in the weeds. No, 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 no. Let's see if I can grab him without getting stuck with a hook here. There we go. Oh, buddy. Oh, he kind of got it in the eyeball. Darn it. Let's see if we can try to save it as much as possible. Oh. Sorry, dude. Yeah, unfortunately he got it in the eye. Oh, poor guy. That's all right. It looks like he might be okay. His eye didn't pop, so it looks like it might be okay. Nice little fish here. Man, look at that belly. Look at that little tubby. Okay. All right. Well, that was pretty quick. Maybe they will hit top water. I think I want to try that other top water like right now. If they're gonna crush it, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook up the top water right now. That other one. We'll give that a shot. But yeah, I like this. This is I mean, it worked. So we got 2 baits down. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rig up my fast one on here. So something I've told you guys about before, I like to have this crankbait snap. Here's why. I can quickly switch from bait to bait. So we'll switch that. This isn't the ideal way to rig this, worm on, but we got the mustad hook and the Lake Fork hyperworm. And yeah, I'm just gonna hook it right on there like that. And there we go. Not 100% weedless, but that'll work. So now that's the next bait to try. We're one of the rigged up and ready to go. But I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna flip the bird. We're gonna flip the bird. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, man, this is a big bait. This is bigger than your standard frog. I have this jig already rigged up here. I think what I'm going to do, so bringing out a bunch of rods. I'm just gonna. This is the same setup that I use for my frogging rod. So, or my frogging top water. So we're just gonna switch it up here. Some more slack. So yeah, we're gonna try to take advantage of these fish eating top water. I mean, that last one, it hit the water, and I barely even had a chance to to twitch it. It like twitched a few times and then that was it. I mean, even if that, maybe like once or twice, and they had it. So let's see if they'll eat the big bird. Tie that on tight. Snip it. There we go. Bend. We'll leave this out because that's going to be next. All right, let's flip this. Let's flip the bird in there. We're going to actually like launch the bird in there. Ooh. Try a different bait here real quick just to keep them honest. This might not work very well as crank. This is because of how shallow it is here. Yeah, this ain't gonna be good here. I gotta switch it up. Let's throw the worm here. There we go. Oh, he had it too. Something had it. Out there. Bite. There we go. Yeah, I got a bass. I threw over there with the bird. Couldn't get him to bite the bird. Stay out of the weeds. Let's see here. Oh, come here. There we go. I can give myself enough slack on this fish. Not a big fish, but we got two of the baits done. The worm and the hook. Looks like he's trying to feed up. He should have ate that bird. There we go. Got the Lake Fork worm here done, and then the Mustad hook. Just about pooped on me. That wouldn't have been cool. Oh my gosh. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Fish are here. I just gotta talk them into biting this thing. we go. Oh gosh, look at it. That's a nice bass. There we go. And on a jig. Okay, well, I'm trying to high stick my rod here. That was super awkward. Okay, well, I thought it was a nice bass. It felt nice at first. But yeah, I don't know. They're out there. They just don't really want that topwater, that bird. We just took care of the jig and that soft plastic by Black Label. So, nice little fish here. Get him back. Oh, that was more of a splash than I was hoping for. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. I've been casting around quite a bit, and I'm marking a lot of fish. I keep thinking that they're mostly carp, but they're not. I mean, they are mostly carp, I'm pretty sure, but since I know there's some bass mixed in, I'm going to keep throwing at them a little bit. I'm going to tie on this topwater here. We only got 2 baits left. Yeah, we only got 2 baits. So we got the spinnerbait, the one topwater, the jig, the worm with the hook, and the plastic. Yeah, so we just got the bird and what else? What was that other one? Oh, the crankbait. Got the bird and the crankbait from T-Mark. The bird's going to be the hardest one to complete. I've already had some missed strikes on it. A couple of times where it was in their mouth, but I don't know. Just not getting them. I might try and bend out these hooks, to be honest. Bend them out, see if I can have a better chance at hooking these fish. I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. Snip this line, tag line here. Okay. Let's see here. So these hooks here, use these pliers. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend these hooks out. Let's see here. I don't want to mess up the barb. Let's try that one a little bit. Well, I don't even know if that worked. There, that one did. That one did too. There. I bent them out just a little bit. I might go a little bit more actually. And this won't hurt the hooks. It's not going to break them. But it'll give you a better chance at catching that fish. Actually, probably go a little bit more. I'm not throwing this in the weeds, so I could probably do a little bit more. Let's try that first. I don't want to go too far. All right. Now let's get back in there. See if we can get them to bite this thing. They're here. There we go. Finally got picked up. It's a nice fish. fish here. It's kind of hooked in the tongue a little bit here. Gotta try and do some surgery. Oh my gosh, he's bleeding. Okay. There he is right here. Nice fish. We're gonna let him go. Oh, he's still kicking really good because he's bleeding. Bleeding a little bit. Well, so that seals the crankbait. Now we just need one more bite. Just need them to bite that topwater rig. They're bass. They just really reluctant to bite these baits or the topwater stuff. So yeah, cool. Well, it's gonna get loud with the lawnmower here, but one more bait left. Oh, there we go. Got him that time. Jesus. Stop. Gotcha. All right. We have completed the slam, like barely, but we got him. Got him. All right. So, kick off the sandals here. Shares out of the wind. All right. So the trick, the key, was to bend these hooks out. They don't look that bent out right now, from what you can tell, but they are bent way out. They were like more in. I think maybe that was the thing. And also, the only thing, I like this bait. I just had to bend the hooks out. And also, when it gets bit, it gains water every bite. Like on every missed strike I had, it gained a lot of water that I had to drain out. Other than that, not bad. I like it. I like it a lot. This is cool, unique. Definitely something I'm going to add to the arsenal. All right. Well, we completed the slam. You're in an awkward position because I'm trying to hide you from the wind. The wind is just crazy. It got crazy fast. We knew it was going to get crazy, but we did it. We completed the slam. He just weren't wanting that topwater. Had to do well. I mean, they did originally. That smaller, the finesse one. That one, they killed that. But they couldn't get this bigger one in their mouth all the way. So they bend out the hooks, and once I did that, I knew as soon as they could get just the hook in their mouth, they're going to be hooked. So, and we did. We got them. The very next bite. It was a little bit tough, but hey, we got it done. A lot of fun. All in all, pretty solid box. I really do like it, actually. It's just a couple little things with the top water, like the bird, which minor, and but love the jig, love the crank. Good all-around box. But I'm gonna cut it off here, guys. Thanks for watching. Got some more stuff coming down the line, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in the next video.